Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wireframe in Cycles. So we're going to go ahead and click the render tab right here at the side. We'll switch out Eevee to Cycles. And what we're going to do is let's go to modifiers, add a modifier. We're going to go with wireframe. And now we can change this cone into a wireframe as such. We'll go to the cylinder right here that we have, and we're going to add modifier, and let's see how wireframe looks with this. This is how this will look with that wireframe. We have the icosphere right here, add modifier, and we can look at wireframe with the icosphere, which is just like this. The cube with the wireframe will look like this. And then of course we have the little monkey head right here. If we add modifier and we add wireframe, it will look like this. Kind of freaky. So I just thought I'd show you wireframes today. Whilst I'm sick. And yeah. There we go. Wireframes. Have fun with that. See you in the next one.